got sawdust in my hair.
Yeah, you got sawdust.
Do I?
I don't know. It's a little bit white. Okay.
All right. Hey everybody. This is Rad Randy and Cindy, little Cindy. We just wanted to come on here and make a short video, and we waited a little while just to make sure it was going to hold, and we're steady gaining subscribers. So we're over the 1,000 mark, and just wanted to come on and thank everybody for the push and helping get us over that mark.
Yeah, special thank you to Chris at Ironhead Garage.
Oh yeah, he was a big help. Want to thank some other people. I know we're gonna miss some people, but want to thank Chips and Sparks, Dave for being a loyal subscriber and following us, and we got
Canadian Bubba.
Yeah. We got Rocker Pat. There's so many to name. I know we're gonna miss some, but we'll try to get everybody one time or another on a video.
Yeah.
And
we actually got some viewer mail from Andy's Doghouse. So thank you, Andy, for sending us this letter. If you hadn't checked out Andy's channel, go ahead and go over there and subscribe to him. It's got some pretty cool stuff.
Oh yeah,
Andy's
a jack of all trades, and you never know what he's gonna be doing. He does all kind of stuff.
Oh, looky there. We got a sticker from Andy's Doghouse. Thank you, Andy. We'll have to figure out something to put all these up on. And on the back, he's got us a message. Hey, Randy and Cindy, here's a sticker from my shop to yours. Thanks for all the support that you give the doghouse. The big dog, Andy. So that's pretty cool. We reached out to one of our friends, and we're going to see if he could do us some artwork and get us a sticker made. So look out for that.
Yeah, we can exchange some stickers, and BW Garage, check him out. He's got a 55 gasser. It's just awesome, and he's also working on a Nova, which is a car I like. I like that body style, but he's a good guy to watch. And anyway, we're getting it together here. It's taking us a while, but we've got so much stuff going on. I got my shop built, got stuff in it, but now we're trying to get her shop finished, and it's just a bunch of stuff to do all at one time. But I'll eventually be back out here and get to work on these cars, and get some footage of that, and get some videos put up. But in the meantime, that's what we're doing, and we're trying to put up little short videos here and there of stuff that's going on. And anyway,
I want to remind you, we still have that giveaway of the 56 Chevy taillight lamp that Randy made in one of our previous videos. Go there and check it out. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. We're getting close to 1,200 subscribers, so once we reach that 1,200, we'll do that drawing for that Chevy lamp. It's pretty cool. I'm probably going to miss it. It's been in our den forever.
Yeah.
Since he made it.
Yeah.
So it's kind of found its spot right there, but it'll look good in your den too, I'm sure.
Yeah, I'll have to make another one.
Yeah, and if you got something else you might want Randy to take a shot at making, just comment, and he might oblige.
Yeah, I might try it.
I might have to twist his arm, but he might oblige.
Oh yeah, but anyway, my bad on I think I mentioned a couple times that we were going to give it away at 1,000, and I was wrong on that. We had put on the video it was 1,200, and Chris got it right the other day when he was reaching out to some people and yeah, a lot of people subscribing is just as simple as clicking the subscribe button. It don't cost you anything, and all these guys, you know, it's a pretty good bit of work to work on these cars and film it, and then edit it and all that stuff. And I don't know about y'all, but that's about all I watch is YouTube. I watch YouTube.
yeah.
I don't watch TV anymore. And just click that subscribe button. Won't cost you anything, and it'll help people like me and Chris and all the other guys that are doing this. It'll help them out. It'll help them out. Sure will.
We also wanted to show you a new addition that we got for our shop.
Yep.
That's not its permanent place, but we just wanted to show y'all. We got that Red Randy neon sign off of Etsy, a little shop called, was it Whatabirdie?
Mm-hmm.
Whatabirdie neon. I think they're out of Atlanta, Georgia. So it's pretty cool. You can pick out your font and size and even the color you want. So
Yeah.
I know he liked it when he opened it.
Oh yeah, it was a
Makes
surprise.
a good gift.
It was a surprise, and it was it actually has a dimmer that you can dim it, and I think
yeah.
maybe change color or whatever. But it's it takes a special battery,
Which
and
we don't have.
Yeah, we don't have. So anyway, I don't know how it looks on camera or how it's going to look on the video, but it's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
And with the dimmer, we'll be able to dim it down or whatever. But pretty cool addition to the shop. All right, you got anything else?
I don't think so.
I'm sure we missed something, but
We usually do.
yeah. But anyway, we appreciate y'all, and until next time, we'll catch y'all later. See ya.
Bye, y'all. Okay.